Hello ladies and so do you gentlemen, my dear students, welcome to the new lesson of our Scratch Meet Edu course. Okay, previous time we get familiar with certain events and we managed to apply 4 events when left arrow is pressed, when key up arrow is pressed, when right arrow is pressed, and when down arrow key is pressed. We can see that we have 4 scripts for our sprite, and in this lesson we will try to organize our script. So instead of these 4 events we will use only one. But first let's decrease this stage area. Okay, I hope that preview now is much better. So this time we will use another event, and that's when green flag is clicked. So everything will start when these, you can see in stage area above is green flag. When you point mouse on it, you got message go. So everything will start when we click on this green flag. Okay, and now we need forever loop. In one of our previous video lesson I was talking about this loop. So everything that we put inside our forever loop will repeat again and again and again as long as this green flag is on. In order to turn off this green flag, we have to press this red icon. When you point mouse on it, you get message stop. Okay, and now we need if condition, and we will put inside forever loop. But for a while I will take it out, and here we need one condition. So we need sensing, and we need this one. So when key right arrow is pressed, so if key right arrow is pressed, in that case we will take these commands and put here. And now we can delete all of these. Okay, let's move here and let's move here. Okay, when right arrow is pressed, point direction should be 90. Okay, and instead of repeating all of this, just right click and choose duplicate. Okay, sorry. Now I can put this here, and here I will change when left arrow key is pressed. In that case, point direction is -90. Okay, and put here. So if key right arrow is pressed, point direction is 90. If key left arrow is pressed, point direction is -19. And again we need new one, and this time if key up arrow is pressed, in that case point direction is 0 and rotation style this time is all around. Okay, and I will duplicate these as well, and we need when down. So if down arrow is pressed, in that case point direction is 180. Okay, put here and this one put here. Okay, I will decrease for a while, so I hope that everything is clear now. So everything starts when we click on green flag. At that moment our forever loop will be on, and inside forever loop we have 4 if conditions. In any of these conditions we check which key is pressed. So if key right arrow is pressed, in that case point direction is 90, rotation style is left right. If key left arrow is pressed, point direction is minus 19 and rotation style is left right. And if key down arrow is pressed, point direction is 180, and if key up arrow is pressed, point direction is 0. Of course, in any of our cases we will move our sprite 10 steps, and if on edge, bounce. Okay. I hope that everything is clear. And now we can turn full control screen. Okay, so everything starts when we click on green flag. And now our forever loop is on, and we can move our sprite left, up, right, down, left, up, down, and when we decrease, you can see that our script is on. In order to turn off our script, we must click on this red icon. Okay, and now everything stops. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for this video lesson. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.